Okay, let's start numerical 3.10 of section 3.2 rockets. So first we have to consider the rocket or with the initial mass mo accelerating from resting free space. At first, as it speeds up, its momentum increases, and as its mass decreases, its momentum eventually begins to decrease. So we have to find for what value of m is the maximum. Okay, so first we have to consider the momentum of the rocket, which is the product of mass and velocity. And we know that by Newton's second law, the force exactly equals to the rate of change of momentum. So first we have to consider the ideal rocket equation, which is the product of this exhaust velocity and log of initial velocity with initial mass with the mass at any time. Okay, now we have to put this equation 1 in above a momentum formula, which is the product of mass and velocity. After putting value, we will get this equation. Okay, now further we have to take derivative with respect to m, this equation. So here you can see that after taking derivative, we will get this term. So this is actually why we take the mass as a function, because we have to find out the value of m. Okay, so after applying product rule, consider this exhaust velocity as first term and the remaining terms as second term. So after after applying product rule, you will get these terms. So this is the very small change in momentum, or we can say that it's a critical condition where which is this term is equals to exactly 0. Now you have to put 0 instead of these values and take the value of this exhaust velocity separately. Okay, and after cancelling we will get only 1. Now further you can see, after applying anti-log, we will get the base of natural logarithm. Okay, and after arranging term and getting the value of m, so this is the value of m, which is exactly equals to this initial mass over e, which is the base of natural logarithm. So what we have to conclude that the momentum is maximized when the rocket mass is equals to this fraction value. Okay, so this is all about from my side, and it's very important numerical. Okay, thank you. Allah Hafiz.